Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating a workout schedule using Todoist. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, open Todoist and create a new project by clicking the plus project button. Name it Workout Schedule. This helps us keep all our workout tasks neatly organized in one place. Next, we'll start adding exercises as tasks. Click the plus Add Task button, write down the name of your exercise, say push-ups, and set a time you want to perform it. This way, you'll receive reminders when it's time to break a sweat. Now, let's add some recurrence to these tasks. If you want to do push-ups every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just type every Mon Wed Fry in the date field. This helps us because Todoist automatically schedules the task for those specific days every week. Next up, let's use Todoist priority flags to categorize tasks by their intensity. For example, high-intensity workouts can be marked as priority 1. This helps us prioritize our workouts and lets us know at a glance which workouts are going to be more demanding. Finally, we'll use the labels feature to tag related workouts. For example, you can tag all strength training workouts with the label strength. The reason we do this is to quickly filter and view all tasks related to a particular type of workout. And there you have it. Your workout schedule is ready in Todoist. Now you've got a digital workout partner to keep you on track. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep moving.